Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install the Android SDK. We are assuming that you have Eclipse and Java installed on your machine. Let's proceed. Open Eclipse, go to Help and look for Install New Software. Click on the Add. Type name and location here. Let's give the name ADT and let's give the location. I'll share this location in the description. Click OK. You'll get the developer tools. Click select all. Next. You'll get this list. Click next. Accept the agreement and click finish. It will start installing the software. Once it is installed, it will ask you to restart the Eclipse. It says this version of ADT requires Android SDK tool revision 23.0.0 or above, and the current revision is 22.6.3. Okay, so click Open SDK Manager. It will open the SDK Manager for you, and there are some updates available. That's the reason it is asking us to update. Go to right bottom corner and click Install Packages. Accept agreement and click Install. It will start installing the required updates. So once the updates are done, it will prompt you about the updates. All you need to do is to click OK. Look for done loading packages. That means we are done here. Now go to Window, Preferences. On the left hand side, click Android and you will see that Android SDK 4.4.2 is installed. Now open up the Android SDK Manager again. This is the one on which we were working just few seconds back. Look for the Android 4.4.2 API 19 and look for Intel x86 Atom system image. This is not installed here. We need to install it. Check it. In my case, SDK platform Android L preview is also selected. You do not need to select it. Click install. Meanwhile, it is installing. Let me show you couple of things. In the toolbar, there are two buttons available. One for Android SDK Manager and the other one is for Android AVD Manager. If you by any chance do not find these two icons in your toolbox, all you need to do is to go to Window, go to Custom Perspective and make sure that under the toolbar visibility, the checkbox for Android AVD and SDK Manager is checked. Meanwhile, we are done with loading the packages. Close it. Open Android Virtual Device Manager. Click on Create. Give the AVD name as MyAVD. Choose the device as Nexus 4. Set the target. In my case, I have installed multiple targets, but you have to choose API 19. API 20 is for wearable devices. Choose the CPU as Intel Atom. This is the one you have installed for you. Choose skin as no skin. Let's give RAM as 2048 and let's give the internal storage as 500. Click OK. It will create MyAVD for you. So this AVD we will be using in our coming tutorials to run our Android projects. Let's quickly create one test project. Go to File, click New, go to Other, type Android here, look for Android application project, click Next, give the application name here, let's give test, give the package name here, let's give in.schoolsteps, click Next, Next, Next. Make sure to choose empty activity here, click Next and click Finish. It will create a project for you. On the left hand side, you can see the test project has been created. There could be a chance that when the project gets created, it starts showing some errors. All you need to make sure is right click on your project, go to Properties, select Android from the left hand side and make sure that under the library section, the reference app compat version 7 is available. In case it is not available, it will give you errors. So these are the errors which I am getting. So all you need to make sure is right click, go to Properties, Android, and under the library section, if you do not get the reference, click Add, choose app compat version 7, click OK, apply, OK, and your project will be error free. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Do visit www.schoolsteps.in. Thank you.